Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Excel 2010 or later, and permission to run macros on your machine. Next, open File then Options. This is where Ribbon settings live. Once in Options, choose Customize Ribbon and find the Developer checkbox on the right side. Check it. This action tells Excel to show the Developer tab. Make sure to click OK to apply changes, otherwise the tab won't appear. This first step unlocks access to form controls, macros, and the Visual Basic editor. Once the Developer tab is visible, you explore why each group matters. The Controls group hosts Form and ActiveX controls. The Code group gives you Record Macro and Visual Basic access, useful when automating tasks. If you want immediate access, right-click a command and add it to the Quick Access toolbar. This saves clicks. Also, open Macro Security from the Developer tab and set your trust level. This protects you versus running unsafe code. These middle steps tailor the tab to your workflow and safety needs. You finish by using the tools. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor, where you write or edit VBA code. This is the core of automation. To test, click Developer, choose Record Macro, perform a short sequence of actions, then stop recording, play it back to confirm it works. Make sure to save as a macro-enabled workbook. If the Developer tab fails to appear, check for pending Excel updates, reset ribbon customizations, and verify group policy restrictions. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.